For many sweet tooth enthusiasts, there is no such thing as too much frosting. Many of us love the sweet taste of cinnamon rolls that ooze with delicious frosting. Luckily, one of these rolls, the Pillsbury cinnamon rolls frosting recipe, is easy to make. This simple recipe will take your breakfast skills to another level. Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. What you will need for this recipe. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of softened butter, 1½ ounces of cream cheese, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of half and half, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Pillsbury cinnamon roll, step-by-step instructions. When baking, this is the perfect frosting to pair with your cinnamon rolls. And if you're making cinnamon rolls, it is best to make the frosting while they are in the oven, so you can add the freshly made frosting to the warm rolls. Step 1. First, you will want to beat the butter and cream cheese in a bowl with an electric mixer on an average speed until it is blended. Step 2. Once that is done, add the vanilla, half and half, and powdered sugar. Mix all the ingredients until it is smooth. After doing that, add the frosting to warm cinnamon rolls. For best results, add the frosting to the cinnamon roll while it is still warm to allow the frosting to melt a bit before making a delicious snack. If you want to take your cinnamon rolls to another level, you can add orange juice and orange zest to your frosting. This is a simple change to the classic frosting that will take your taste buds for a step up in flavor. This is a great choice if you love a bit of a citrus flavor, as the orange is not too overpowering. Tips and tricks. To beat the cream cheese and butter, it will be better if both have been softened. If you forgot to soften your cream cheese and butter, you can microwave each separately for approximately 10 seconds. To make a fun snack for the family to share, you can make your cinnamon rolls on a waffle iron, then cut them into strips. After doing that, you can then dip your cinnamon roll sticks into the frosting, as well as other fun dips such as chocolate sauce, strawberry jam, or syrup. If you have leftover frosting, it is best to store the remainder in the fridge. Cream cheese-based frosting can be stored in the fridge for up to 3 days, and in the freezer for up to 1 month. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.